right, it is Friday, almost evening here. Shabbat Shalom, October 22nd, 2021. The Budgies and I are listening, and they're singing away beautifully. We're listening to Neil Diamond while I'm drawing decorative patterning on the second of the three allegorical sea monsters here in Under the Wing 73. Beautiful singing, boy. It's beautiful singing. Gorgeous. Thank you. Oh, they stop. They get camera shy. It's funny. They're kind of like people. Hey, what happened to that beautiful sing-song? I can't believe that they get camera shy, but they do all the time. Like, how do they know I'm recording here? I hear a little chortle. All four of them are singing away. Okay, that's it for now. Tomorrow or Sunday, I'll finish this one here. And then onto the next one there. All right, to be continued.